Hi everybody, my name is Vaidamodar Reddy. I am studying BTech first year in SRIT College. Today I am telling linear algebra and calculus subjects. That is equation 3. And dou f by dou y equal to 0. That implies dou f by dou y plus lambda into dou pi by dou y equal to 0. 2y plus lambda into 2 equal to 0. 2y equals to minus 2 lambda. Y equal to minus lambda. That is equation 4. At last, dou f by dou z equal to 0. Dou f by dou z plus lambda into dou f by dou z equal to 0. 2z plus lambda into 1 equals to 0. 2z equal to minus lambda. Z equals to minus lambda by 2. That is equation 5. Substitute equation 3, 4 and 5 values in equation 2. 3x plus 2y plus z minus 12 equal to 0. 3 into minus 3 lambda by 2 in plus 2 into minus lambda plus minus lambda by 2 minus 12 equal to 0. Minus 9 lambda by 2 minus 2 lambda minus lambda by 2 minus 12 equal to 0. Minus 9 lambda minus 4 lambda minus lambda minus 24 by 2 equal to 0. Minus 14 lambda minus 24 equal to 0. Minus 14 lambda equal to 24. Lambda equal to minus 24 by 14. Lambda equal to minus 12 by 7. Substitute lambda value in equation 3, 4 and 5 values. We get x comma y comma z values. From equation 3, 4 and 5 we get x equals to minus 3 lambda by 2 equal to minus 3 into minus 12 by 7 divided by 2, 36 divided by 14. X equal to 18 by 7, that is x value. Y equal to minus lambda. Y equal to minus into minus 12 by 7. Y equal to 12 by 7, that is y value. Z equal to minus into minus 12 by 7 divided by 2. Z equal to 12 by 14, that equals to 6 by 7, that is Z value. Stationary point P of x comma y comma z, that is 18 by 7, 12 by 7, 6 by 7. The 18 by 7 comma 12 by 7 comma 6 by 7 is point on the plane which is nearest to the origin. Okay, thank you everybody.